day in the Airstream.
So today we're going to take out all the windows so that we can take them apart, because as I said in the last post, we've got to replace all the gaskets and everything around them. So these are the Hehr, H-E-H-R, Clearview windows, and in our Airstream there's 10 of them. So we're going to take them all out so that we can work on them on our workbench at the house. Slide them out. So we're going to take out these 2 screws on each side, and then we're going to slide them out. You just have to be careful. There's some rails inside the window that you don't want to lose those, because that's part of the process.
So we're going to get these all taken out and apart, and then I'll show you quickly how to slide them out. So 2 screws on this side, 2 screws on this side. One thing that we learned while we were doing this is that you should probably start from the front and work your way back. It makes it easier to have the windows out of the way.
So anyway, so that one fell out. This one will likely do the same, so I'll hold on to that one. And all you have to do is just lift the window up then so that it clears the frame, and then just slide it out.
Just like that. And we got a little clearance issue on the other window. Getting in the way a little bit.
And out it comes. And then I've just been putting the screws back in and taping them back up so that they don't get damaged while we're doing some other things around the Airstream.
So, fun stuff.
You can kind of see, if you look along the edge, there's 59 years of dirt and debris that will eventually just polish out. And I'll pull a video of the